Hey there, I'm Darcy, and welcome to Screencasts Online. Previously, we covered today's app OneSec in a full show. But over the last year and a half, they've added some great features that take managing app access and productivity to a new level. I'll start today with a quick reminder of how this app works, before getting into the updates. And if you feel it's the right app for you, be sure to check out the full show where we cover how to activate everything using the Shortcuts app. OneSec can be downloaded from the App Store. Once set up correctly, it can help you manage access to applications. I'll show you using Netflix as an example. Whenever I access the app, an animation appears asking me to take a breath and think about whether I really want to use Netflix. Speaking from experience, this buffer has really helped me challenge my habits and think about the reason why I'm accessing apps like this. Is it just for fun? Or is it because I'm stressed or some other emotion? With my setup, there are 3 options available. I can click I don't want to open Netflix, and it exits the app entirely. I can also select Journal, which is a healthy alternative. Instead of opening up Netflix, I can do a little bit of writing to really uncover how I'm feeling in the moment. The third option is Continue to Netflix down the bottom. When I select this, OneSec asks me about my intention, and I can select from any of the pre-listed ones here. I'll select Procrastinate, and we're taken back to the Netflix app. The prompts we just explored can be customized further if we head back to OneSec and select an individual app from the front page. First, we see helpful information about how often we're trying to access this app. But hit Edit up in the top right corner. Then we can make customizations, such as the duration, how long the animation will play, how long it will stop you from accessing the app. The default is 10 seconds, but I can change this to be shorter or longer. Then we can change the breathing phase. Before it was saying to take a deep breath. I can select another phrase by clicking the plus icon next to it below. Or I can write my own, and the app will cycle through these different prompts. We're currently changing it for all apps, but we can change it for this specific app, Netflix, by changing to the tab on the right. Head back to the settings, and under Intervention on App, we can turn this on or off. So instead of deleting the shortcut that allows it to happen, we can toggle it here. The intervention can also be run on a nominated website. So not only Netflix the app, but Netflix the website too. I'll toggle the switch on here to enable it. Head back to the OneSec homepage. Then right-click or press and hold your finger on one of the icons here. This drop-down menu lets me delete one of these configurations from OneSec. Or alternatively, I can keep it but hide it, making it more difficult to access those settings, and thus more difficult to turn off the intervention. A new hidden icon appears on the front page here. Select it to re-find any of these apps. Now let's continue exploring some of the new features for OneSec.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if If you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.